In your sample collection kit you will find an instructional booklet, an easy sampler stool collection kit, a pair of gloves, 2 stool collection tubes, 2 strips of parafilm to wrap around the stool tubes, and then a return packaging envelope. Open up your easy sampler stool collection kit out of its packaging. You'll see 2 sticky tabs on the top side where the grilled side is. You want to place that towards the back of the toilet seat, so under the toilet seat, which you have lifted. Remove the sticky tabs on the top corners and apply them to the top of your toilet seat as so. And then remove the bottom sticky tabs and use that to secure onto the bottom of your toilet seat. And you're going to stick it onto the inside of the toilet like that. You're now ready to produce your stool sample. Once you've produced your sample, put on your pair of gloves and then take the stool collection tube, which has the lighter brown lid and a scoop in the lid. This tube contains a liquid preservative. Do not pour this liquid out. And then using the scoop, pick up a pea-sized amount from the middle of your stool sample and then place that inside your stool collection tube and screw the lid on tightly, and then invert the tube 10 times. Don't worry if there's any frothing, that's perfectly normal. Take your second stool collection tube with the darker brown opaque lid and use the scoop in the lid to collect a tablespoon of stool from your sample. Place that in the tube and screw the cap on tightly. Dispose of the stool collection paper by flushing it down the toilet. Dispose of the gloves in your normal household waste bin and wash your hands. Please write the date and time you finished collecting the samples onto the labels of the stool tubes. Please write the time in the 24-hour clock format, for example 2:30 p.m. written as 14:30. Take a strip of parafilm and peel the back off. Stretch the parafilm as much as you can and wrap it securely around the cap and the tube as shown. Take your second strip of parafilm, peel off the back and stretch out as much as possible, and then use this to wrap securely around the second stool tube. Place the clear stool collection tube inside the thinner protective clamshell packaging and place it in the return envelope. Place the second stool collection tube with the opaque and darker lid in the larger clamshell packaging. Shut that tightly and place that in the return envelope too.